In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to record yourself playing Roblox. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on Roblox, and you're going to need to go through your phone settings to find out how to actually screen record. It's really that simple. Now, on Androids, it may be different. But for iPhones, what you're going to do is you're going to swipe down on the right side of your screen. Now, as you can see, the left bottom corner, there is a red recording button. That's what you're going to click to start your recording. And then it's going to record your screen for as long as you'd like until you swipe down again and stop the recording. It'll save directly to your photos. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.